Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to change your preferred network type on Android. Whether you want to switch to 2G, 3G, 4G LTE, or 5G, the process is quick and easy. First, open the Settings app on your Android phone. Then tap Network and Internet, or Connections, depending on your device. After that, select Mobile Network. Now, choose the SIM card you want to change if your phone has two SIMs. Next, look for Preferred Network Type, Network Mode, or a similar option. The exact name may vary depending on your phone's brand and Android version. Tap on it, and you'll see the available network options, such as 2G, 3G, 4G LTE, or 5G if your phone and carrier support it. Simply select the network type you want to use. Your phone will apply the change automatically within a few seconds. That's it. You've successfully changed your mobile network mode on Android. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more quick Android tutorials on the channel.